that is my project. I'm posting now every day how to make a one row of this granny squares. So here we go. And then I've got so many. I think you all guys, you've got this many left over yarns, so we can use for this granny squares, and then we can join them and to make a blanket. I think, or if someone like, it can make cushions even though. So we can maybe like a 4 of this and 4 down. Then you're gonna have a cover, front cover, and then yeah, look, I'm just using the small pieces to finish. And this is I did without color, boom, and then this, boom, that, and I show you this. So all of these colors, which is over all yarn, we can use it to make a granny square. And you know what, I hate the granny squares, but now I just appreciate them because I can use all this leftover yarn. Okay then, so you can follow my videos, which I did. I have idea, for example, because many people I've seen on Facebook, many people like, oh, join Zoom and you can join for £5, for example, or for £10, and you can have you learn how to make a granny squares. Yeah, I know everybody wants to make a money, but you know, come on, this granny squares, someone is making money on this. Do you know, it's like different patterns for shape. It's fine. Like I've seen the nice flowers. I would go and zoom and I see. But the granny squares, look. That's why I made. I think it would be 5 days or 6 days. Hold a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. It will be videos every single day, and every single day I'm making one row. So like everyone, seriously, everybody can learn how to make a granny squares, and I'm sure in your wardrobes everybody got their waist yarns and you don't even touch them, and they maybe stay there for years and years, and you always put it on the side and says, oh, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna use it, and you never use it, because I know I did exactly the same. And at the end I've got like a seriously few boxes of yarns and always yarns, like, my god, what I'm gonna do with this? And then boom, let's do the granny squares. So let's join and watch my videos. They are just 5 minutes short, and I will be appreciate if you click you like it or you don't like it. That's up to you. I can tell you click like it if you don't like it, but yeah, just click if you like it, and then subscribe, and then watch and learn how to do it, because I know many people they like to learn how to make a squares. We've got also young generation is coming, so that will be great, because everybody wants to like craft homemade, like, you know, something handmade, homemade. So yeah, organic. So yeah, so I think it would be nice if a young generation gonna join us and gonna learn how to do a granny squares. Yeah, my grandmother, she showed me first time how make chain loops. Oh my goodness, at the beginning was horrible. I couldn't hold even this hook in my hands. And like I watched my grandmother, it's like, how, my god, why, how are you doing this? Yeah, and at the end, obviously, by the time, day by day, and I didn't give up, and I was doing, and I think I started first actually crochet with the chains. She was asking me to make a chains first, and then I went into the knitting. But seriously, I was so young, because my grandmother, she always was knitting, and she was knitting for my brother, for my sister, and for me. And then I learned how to do it, and then I had two ladies from the other countries, which I'm not gonna say, because obviously in Poland we know where we were related before. So from these countries, and she was teaching us a language, their language. And in Poland, that time we have to learn this language. and yeah, and I joined to the group with them, and they were showing absolutely amazing patterns. So one of these, I think I posted, there was like a stars, and I think if you see a pinkish swatch I'm making, so this is one of them. I learned from them, and I've got few more, and I'm trying to recall what it was, but because it was donkey years ago. So anyway, I'm inviting everybody to join my channel, and I hope it will be nice relationship between me and all you guys subscribers, and I hope we're gonna grow more, and then we can show us all together what we are making, what we are knitting. That's why I said we've got Facebook. And now YouTube allowed us to do comments on YouTube. We can post it. If I post something, you can come back and say always check notifications. So there might be some. I'm not gonna do often, be once a week or so. Like if something important. But yeah, I invite everybody, and all please comments on videos as well. So that would be nice to see your comments on videos, so we can learn more, and I can make some more projects. That would be for me some kick to boost to make more projects. So have a good day, have a good week, and see you next time. Bye.